Let's talk oil. Oil is the lifeblood of your vehicle. It keeps your engine lubricated and clean. So guess what? A lot can happen if you neglect its oil. None of it good. Run out of oil and the metal-on-metal friction will get so hot, your engine can literally weld itself together. Can you say hot mess? Or let's say your engine has oil, but you never change it. Two things can happen over time. One, dirt can build up in the oil, making it thick and abrasive, which can cause engine damage and eventual failure. Or two, the good stuff in your oil, like detergents, rust fighters, and friction reducers, will break down, which can lead to loss of lubrication, and again, can cause engine damage and eventual failure. Bottom line, your engine needs regular oil and filter changes. How often depends on a variety of factors, like the age of your vehicle, the type of oil you use, and your driving habits and conditions. So hey, check your oil often and get it changed regularly. It can help you do more than avoid big-time engine damage. It can also help you enjoy some great benefits, like improved fuel economy, smoother, quieter engine performance, and longer engine life. So if your vehicle is due for an oil change, bring it to the Mopar service specialist at your local Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Fiat dealer. Mopar, at your service.